The U.S. is home to some of the biggest tech companies, but payment systems there can seem as antiquated for visitors. That is, a number of efforts are underway to change this in sectors including F&B and transport. William Denselow reports from New York.
For many waiters, a pen and paper are off the menu. At Nanjiang Xiaolongbao, a dim sum order can be sent to the kitchen with just a few taps of a computer tablet. This New York restaurant uses cloud-based technology for its point-of-sale system to streamline ordering and payment. But some restaurateurs are reluctant to adopt such technology.
Restaurant owners are used to use the offline software POS system. They think it's more safer that way because in the cloud-based, the data could be stolen or could be hacked somehow. But somehow that's like a misunderstanding.
There is no standard way to pay for your meal in the US as well. Some restaurants in New York City are cash only. And unlike in some parts of the world, such as Europe, paying with a card generally requires a signature rather than a PIN code.
The banks do not, the banks in the US are very reluctant to adopt to require a PIN. And this is because they believe that it would put more burden on the users, on the customers, and that it is going to make the use of the card more difficult.
Chip and PIN is seen as a safer payment system than signature verification. The US accounts for roughly a third of global card fraud losses. But analysts say customers are protected from the threat of fraud.
Credit card fraud does not hit as much customers in US as we would think from the amount of stolen transactions or misappropriated transactions. And this is because the credit cards are actually the credit card networks are actually bearing the cost of fraud.
New York's public transit system has also been slow moving when it comes to adopting new payment technologies. It was only in 2019 when New York began the transition from Metro cards in favour of contactless payments on the city subway system. Many see these cards as a relic in a digital age, but they won't be fully phased out until 2024. Converting payment systems across all of New York's 472 subway stations had to be done gradually to minimise disruption for the more than 2 million riders daily.
We needed to get somebody to work us through it, how it would be converted, how all the fare types could be incorporated in it, how it could be then used on the commuter trains. It's not a simple thing. Would we like to have seen it earlier? I think everybody would like to have seen it earlier. But it's coming, and it's coming really fast now.
Despite the advent of new payment technologies, nearly 10% of New York City's residents don't even have a bank account. In 2020, local lawmakers passed a bill requiring businesses to accept dollar bills and coins, meaning that, for now at least, cash remains king. William Denselow, CNA, New York.